welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. My name is Shushana, and on my channel I do lots of home decor, seasonal decorating, and I would love for you to consider subscribing if that is what you're interested in watching. I do upload twice a week, every Wednesdays and Fridays at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So in today's video, you guys, I am going to be giving you some decorating ideas on how to decorate a coffee table and also a console table for the spring season. You are actually watching this video in real time. Today is Wednesday that I am filming this and uploading it for you guys in the same day. Ever since I've been back from vacation, I've just been on vacation mode and literally had no inspiration and motivation. But this morning, I came home from work and I was like, this is it. I gotta get up and I gotta do what I gotta do. So I am here for you guys and I am making this sweet video for y'all. So I hope that you guys like it and I hope that you guys enjoy it today. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get the decorating. So yes guys, it is still winter and we just had a blizzard yesterday, and though it is snowed outside and it's cold, I wanted to start bringing in some spring into my home. So here I have a marble tray. I got this tray from TJ Maxx, I believe, and I am just going to be adding some books. This is going to be a simple styling. I don't really keep a lot on my coffee table because my daughter Nyla, she just will not let anything stay on there. So I'm just doing something simple. I did get this vase. It's actually a planter from Walmart. I did see Liz, she had it in one of her videos and I just absolutely loved it and had to go and grab it up. It was less than $6 or $7 and I just went ahead and did an arrangement with the florals that I'm using for my home this spring, and then I added this little sparkly bunny because every girl needs some sparkle in her life, and then I just added these brass thrifted candlesticks with 2 candles in them. I think that it turned out absolutely fabulous. Very simple, very tasteful and elegant, but this is so budget friendly, you guys. This entire vignette cost me less than $40 and I love the way that it turned out. I did not spend anything, but you know, when I did purchase them, it's less than $40. So I just love the way that it turned out. I love the vibrancy of the florals and I love that rustic feeling that the vase is giving, and then the vintage feel as well of the vase and the brass candlesticks. So I hope that you guys like it and that you feel inspired to do something simple and beautiful as this arrangement. And so now we are upstairs in my my second floor. I don't know if I even showed you guys this area, but we are upstairs and I am decorating my console table. I normally don't really have anything here, but I wanted to go ahead and just put this console table here and a mirror and just some beautiful decorative pieces. I got this wall art from, I think it was Hobby Lobby, and I just love how simple it looks, but the, you know, the green plant, it's just so beautiful. This vase, you guys, believe it or not, I've had this vase for maybe 8 years or so, 8 or 9 years. I got it from Marshall's a ways back, and I haven't really used it in a long time, and I just saw it upstairs and pulled it out of my arsenal and wanted to use it here on this console table with these beautiful faux lavender bushes. I got those from Walmart as well. I didn't purchase anything for this video, but I always shop my home because I have tons of decor, praise God. Not to brag or anything, you guys, but I do have a lot of stuff. Some things I really do need to get rid of, but I like to shop my home because it saves on money and it saves on time, and they still look beautiful. So it just really goes to show that if you take care of your things, you know, you can use it for a lifetime. And that little candlestick, I love using copper in my decor. I just love copper. I actually thrifted that for 25 cents a few years ago, and I just love the statement that it gives, along with these beautiful copper lanterns that I also thrifted for $1.99 a piece. So I love the way that this turned out, and let me know what you guys think. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, and let me know what you guys think. Comment down below, and let me know if you were inspired and how this has motivated you or inspired you to do something creative in your spring decor. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember that Jesus is Lord, that He loves you, and I love you too. I will see you guys next time. Bye.